Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create variation listings on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to create one listing but have multiple variations within that listing. So for example, if you're trying to sell Pokemon cards from one specific set, how do you actually go ahead and create a variation listing? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to log onto our eBay account and then click on sell. So once you're on this page here, you're going to click on list an item. And then from here, we're just going to do Pokemon cards, choose our card, and then click on search. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to click on continue without match. And then we're just going to select a few options. This might differ depending on what item that you're selling. But now, once you're on this page here, if you go ahead and scroll down, you should see the option to go ahead and create a variation listing. If you don't see that option, then what you need to do is you need to click on these three dots in the upper right hand corner, then click on settings, and then toggle on variations. Now once you toggle on variations, you're going to see this option here where it allows you to now create variations of one item. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create variation listings on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.